So one major thing I love so much about our culture, uh, parables is one of our amazing culture parables says, "Bala bala feloke," or wala ala, you know what I mean? And why am I saying this? I'm not saying this because I am supporting any misconduct in the region of Africa. No, I'm not that kind of person. By the ways, I want to talk about this issue of EFCC too much behaviors. And you know, my point is this: in every point of view, you see people always having this radical and rustically tempt of acts, which in a actors codivance is called Iberibe. You know what I mean? And you know, in a station of Iberibe, you see so many radical people inborn using the opportunity, every little opportunity they have, they want to make use of it. Someone bought at me, he bought me. There's a comment he made about EFCC, and I'm trying to get the point clear. When you bought me and you're trying to make it look like the first time you bought at me, that's some certain point that I am not saying when I am talking about this people, EFCC. But now I want to beg Nigerian government, and I know sometimes some government makes use of them, but I know it's not Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Bola cannot be in support of that kind of thing. That's one of amazing presidents, whether you like it or not. It's amazing president that I love some certain thing he does. He's the one of the classic president that African and the whole world. God bless you all. And you see, my point is this. EFCC, balabala feloke, or wala, you overdo some certain thing that they are not longer necessary. If people do not put stop to this, it will come to a time when people will be spraying money on their own. And this currency is a foreign currency. EFCC will charge you of sitting there and you saw Nigerian currency and you do not respect it. They will invite you. What is the offense of that man? You are spraying dollar and you saw Nigerian currency. You do not respect it. Is it not stupidity? No, let's be honest here. Is it not stupidity when a man had to leave what you are ought to focus on, and you're focusing on nonsense, things that does not make sense anymore? Now, KC and Chief Priest Kubana have made a song now that you're matching Naira, because that was the offense that they charge e-money. Is spreading pounds is not offense, but now what is offense? That a match Naira, a leg touch Naira, where people have sprayed on the ground. Okay, now maybe tomorrow now, as Obi Kubana, they have programmed him for next governor of Anambra State. Now tomorrow now, you will now see someone will come out and say they are charging Obi Kubana to court. What is the offense? Obi Kubana invited people that look down on Naira in his birthday, 50 for 50. People see Naira on the floor, they look down on Naira and they were spraying dollar, and that's the offense. I remember those days when we are in a duty of authority, because I was one of the detectives in UAE. When we are in the duty of authority, they discharge one Pakistan police. What is the offense of this guy? This guy arrested somebody in a Jesco supermarket. What is the offense of this African guy you arrested? Hatred. Then what is the offense of this African guy? He said that the African guy is thinking to steal. You see the offense? Thinking to steal. That's the offense of this guy. You put this guy in Awi jail for 3 months. And the offense of this African guy is thinking to steal. Then when the judge look at that offense, he asked him, he called his name, Said, you Sakaram? He said, no, Mafi Sakaram. That's, are you drunk? He said, no, he's not drunk. How can you arrest somebody and charge the person, detain the person for 3 months in jail for thinking to steal? Are you in the mind of that guy, knowing that the guy is thinking to steal? That's the same thing that Nigerian EFCC is doing now. And government, if you do not stop this nonsense they are doing, it's going to come to a time when EFCC will leave their job and they will see a girl on the street of Abuja. They will arrest the girl. What is the offense of this girl? This girl is abusing Nyash. What is the offense of the girl? They will write abusing of Nyash. How did she abuse Nyash? They will say the girl have a flat Nyash before, but now the girl bum is big. How come? They will say it's offense, and the charge will be EFCC arrested Natasha for abusing of Nyash. So I thought that there is offense that Nigerian created this proportion of EFCC people to focus. Like Yaya Bello offense is a big offense that you people should put in jail. Likewise, some other of them, plenty of them, that you give them contracts to work and they chop the money. Until today, they are bugaing on the streets. They did not do that job. They are bugaing, showing you. You see some of them showing you cars. Some of them showing you houses. Some of them showing you expensive products. Some of them showing you expensive stuff. And they are government that they pay them money to work contracts. Just like people collecting contracts to work. And they are not doing the work. And you see them working freely. And you are embarrassing innocent one. For example, the other time was Very Dark Man. What is his offense? Planning to spray Nigerian currency. He's planning, no, he have not sprayed Nigerian currency. He have not abused Nigerian currency. You arrested him for planning. The same people, so many boys that have not stolen any money from your country. They are collecting from outside country. You are breaking them houses, busting their houses, arresting them. What is the offense of these boys? They stole from white men. Is your grandfather white man? EFCC, is your grandfather white man? But the grandfather of us are black men that those white men come to steal from. I'm not pressing laptop. I don't press all these things. I'm not good at them. But you arrest those small boys and you leave the grandfather criminals that is into your political system of innerly kicked, and you left them behind. What are you doing to embarrass the innocent one? Am I going to call this hate to Igbo people or tribalism arrest? Tomorrow, the next tomorrow, be Kubana, the other day will be chief priest, the other day this, the other day this, all Igbo people. How many times have you seen FBI arrest somebody for spraying money, dollar in club? They don't, because that's not the problem of America. America has so many issues to solve. Wake up. My name is His Royal Highness Agugbaola. Don't forget. I don't take nonsense. And the reason is, I'm still the CEO of Attitude Unit Gold Class Collections all over the world. We are popular everywhere. This is our product, The Legend of Black Panther. We are in that movie. My product is in that movie, Black Panther. Likewise, you see so many things going on everywhere. It's still being produced and made by me. All of them. Plenty of them. Plenty. You know, whole lot of them. Whole lot of them. People have something doing. And Bible said that God will bless you with the works of your hands. EFCC, whatever these people are doing that you're embarrassing them is an embarrassment. Focus on the problem we have in the country. It's too plenty to be doing all these minor issues. We have plenty issues to do with the government. Those that carry money that have not given us any reasonable account of what they do with those money. Focus there. Respect yourself.